Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah states that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said that he used to teach Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf radiyallahu anhu the Quran. When Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu performed the last Hajj, Hazrat Abdul Rahman said at Mina, "Would that you had been with the believers' chief." A man visited him and said to him that so and so said, "If the believers' chief passes away, we will swear an allegiance to so and so man." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, "I will get up for a sermon in the evening today and alarm the people of such a party that wishes to usurp their right." I said to him, "O the believers' chief, don't do that, for it is the Hajj season, which generally gathers rebel, who will assemble in majority in your meeting, and I fear they will not interpret your statement correctly, rather giving your words their coveted meaning. Will float it, so you may wait until you reach Madina Munawwara, for it is the abode of immigration and Prophet's traditions. There you should gather the companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the immigrants and helpers, and address them. They will retain your address and discern the correct connotation." He thereupon said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, in Madina Munawwara I will deliver the sermon first on this matter." Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, "When we reached Madina Munawwara, he radiyallahu anhu said, undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu sent Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam with truth and revealed a book to him, and what has been revealed included the words of stoning to death." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7323.